Does this look familiar? The combination square, a common tool for marking lines parallel to an edge of your workpiece. But for every new measurement, the head must be relocated. It's time-consuming and inaccurate. There must be a better way. Introducing the new INCRA T-Rule. It does the same job as your old combination square and much more. But instead of adjusting a headpiece for each new measurement, simply move your pencil to another hole. It's like a combination square that's always set to every measurement and far more accurate. Use the 1/32 inch holes for drawing lines. Here we are marking drill centers for a cabinet door handle, 1 inch from this edge, then 2 inches and 5 inches from this edge. It's also a precision T-square for marking at right angles to the edge of your work. And you can precisely locate short marks using the individually numbered 1/16 and 1/32 inch marking slots. Or use the 1/64 inch scale for ultra-high resolution. The professional T-rule even includes marking holes every 1/100th of an inch. Now that's precision. And remember, any of the INCRA rules can be used for marking metal by simply using a sharp scribe. For even more versatility, the T-bar is adjustable for making precise vertical measurements above your work surface. The handy 3-inch Tiny T is perfect for small workpieces and tucks away in your shop apron pocket. INCRA T-rules are offered in 3, 6, 12, and 18-inch lengths. Metric versions are also available.